Welcome everyone. Today we will start chapter 2, Acids, Bases and Salts. You have learned in your previous classes that the sour and bitter taste of food are due to acids and bases respectively present in them. If someone in the family is suffering from a problem of acidity after overeating, which of the following would you suggest as a remedy? Lemon juice, vinegar or baking soda solution? So you must be familiar with the problem of acidity. We know that in our stomach hydrochloric acid is present in very concentrated form. In acidity there is an excess production of acid in our stomach which leads to acidity. So which of the following would you suggest as a remedy? Lemon juice, vinegar or baking soda solution? You know that lemon juice it is having acidic nature. Vinegar also it is acidic in nature as it contains acetic acid. Baking soda solution it is basic in nature. We know that acid can be nullified by using base. So here remedy which we can use is baking soda solution for the problem of acidity. So it is given here, which property did you think of while choosing the remedy? Surely you must have used your knowledge about the ability of acids and bases to nullify each other's effect. Recall how we tested sour and bitter substances without tasting them. You already know that acids are sour in taste and change the color of blue litmus to red, whereas bases are bitter and change the color of the red litmus to blue. Litmus is a natural indicator. Turmeric is another such indicator. That means that means litmus and turmeric they both are natural indicator. There are other natural indicators also. Have you noticed that a stain of curry on a white cloth becomes reddish brown when soap, which is basic in nature, is scrubbed on it? It turns yellow again when the cloth is washed with plenty of water. You can also use synthetic indicators such as methyl orange and phenolphthalein to test for acids and bases. So these two are synthetic indicators. Please do underline this. These are the these two are the example of synthetic indicator. We will also perform some experiments based on synthetic indicators methyl orange and phenolphthalein in lab, as well as we will also use litmus solution. In this chapter, we will study the reactions of acids and bases, how acids and bases cancel out each other's effect, and many more interesting things that we use and see in our day-to-day life. So this is about the introduction of this chapter, acids, bases and salts. We will study lot of different uh, chemical reactions based on them. Now here in do you know it is given something about litmus solution. So litmus solution it is a purple dye which is extracted from lichen, a plant belonging to the division Thallophyta and is commonly used as an indicator. When the litmus solution is neither acidic nor basic, its color is purple. So we know the color of litmus solution in acidic solution and in basic solution. So in neutral medium, litmus is purple in color. This is very important. And in acidic medium, we know that it changes from blue to red, and in basic medium, we know it changes from red to blue. There are many other natural materials like red cabbage leaves, turmeric, colored petals of some flowers such as hydrangea, petunia, and geranium, which indicate the presence of acid or base in a solution. These are called acid-base indicators or sometimes simply indicators. So this is about just the extra information given about litmus and other natural indicators, but the most common natural indicator we use, or the most common indicator generally we use, is litmus or litmus paper, and now it is also available in the form of solution. That is why it is said to be litmus solution. Now one question is given based on this. You have been provided with three test tubes. One of them contains distilled water and the other two contains an acidic solution and a basic solution respectively. If you are given only red litmus paper, how will you identify the contents of each test tube? This you can very easily do this. You just use your bit logic about this question. Nothing is so much related with chemistry actually. Only the thing which you need to solve this is that here you are having only red litmus paper. You are having three test tube. One is filled with water which is neutral in medium, and the other one is having acidic solution, and the third test tube it is containing basic solution. So we know that if we are having red litmus paper, so it is going to change from red to blue in basic medium or basic solution. Now how you are going to identify all these three substances given in the test tube? For that you just use some of you try to understand this question and try to answer it. Tomorrow we will discuss this question also, and tomorrow we will also just start the next topic of it. Thank you.